In this video, we will remove top handle. We will use reference frame. Reference frame means frame hold method. We will use another frame hold. We will make first frame in which the character is not visible. We will take as a clean plate. First frame, we will take a freeze frame hold. We will make the first frame as a frame hold. We will take this frame as a clean plate. Clean plate. We don't have to remove anything because it's already removed in this frame. Now we'll take merge. We'll add B and A here. Now we'll mask. We take another roto. We take roto here and we'll mask this area in which the character is visible. Now we'll shift the mask a little bit here. And then now we'll add auto here and we'll add pre-mult below that. Now see, we have removed the character erasers fully using frame hold method. This is the difference frame hold method.